What a मजेदार ट्रेलर. सबसे पहले तो बोलो यार, this trailer is just too filmy.
When we got the script, for me it was a very short one. I'd never got such a short script yet.
प्लीज मुझे बता दो तमन्ना, क्या तुम लोगों ने चोरी की है?
चॉकलेट खिलाओ बता ही देगी.
Oh my God! ये क्या है? ये आप
This is how they bribe me.
है, हाँ.
If they want me to say anything, this is bribe me.
Can I please say, Jimmy Shergill, you have a separate fan base in the world.
He
दुनिया
doesn't
में
believe us only. We keep telling
He
him, we
loves
keep
you.
obsessing. I feel physical pain when I see that.
What I'm told, I've been also told that to always boast about the size of your feet. Jimmy says biopic.
which is
It's Jimmy ki Jawani.
Yeah. Can I give one more that you mentioned?
what are we doing? This is amazing. This is the best interview.
अगर मेरी बुआ की मूछें होती तो वो मेरे चाचा होते. He came up with this.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
You know, you watch a trailer and then you know you're going to love this film. One of my favorite films from the past is a film called Muqaddar Ka Sikandar. The play on words is absolutely fabulous. And to add to that, one of my favorite directors of the recent times, and of course, 3 actors I absolutely loved. Hi guys, this was for your movie. You were
Amazing.
your
Yeah, yeah.
movie.
Thank you.
Oh my
That's
God,
amazing.
what fun! Can I please tell you, I'm not even lying, hand on heart, what a मजेदार trailer. सबसे पहले तो बोलो यार, this trailer is just too filmy because it's a celebration of our cinema.
Yeah.
Did you feel that going into this script, guys? Each of you.
So when we got the script, for me it was a very short one. I'd never got such a short script, which was about 45 pages, and you were like, it was also incomplete because we had not been given the climax and pre-climax. So it felt like कि यार ये सर ने अभी शायद फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट लिखनी बाकी है. There's still time to it. But I knew that it had engaged me to a point where I was desperate to know what's there. I think that was the whole idea of keeping the
This
climax
is it.
away. And then like once you've gone there. Also, what I felt different was it was, it's a fast-paced thriller, we know, and the cat and mouse chase that we keep talking about. But it was also very immersive. I felt you really tend to invest in these characters, and that makes it so much more fulfilling as an audience. So that was my feeling when I read the script. I hope the audience feels the same when they watch it.
Please मुझे बता दो तमन्ना, क्या तुम लोगों ने चोरी की है? Oh,
क्या हम चोर जैसे लगते
look
हैं?
at her. She's just like,
चॉकलेट खिलाओ बता ही देगी.
हाँ, क्या?
चॉकलेट खिलाओ बता देगी.
Chocolate खिलाओ. What is
This
this
is-
about? If you want anything from
Do you
me-
have one in your pocket? What is
I
this?
was thinking of this. They might be half.
Oh my God!
Half.
You've just been eating chocolates too.
ये क्या है? ये आप
This is how they bribe
रिश्वत
me.
है, हाँ.
If they want me to say anything, this is bribe me.
Okay, so
Then I do whatever they say.
oh, damn it! Why don't I have any chocolate on me?
Yeah, that's
Damn.
how
Damn
that's how
this
I'm bribed.
sugar-free, gluten-free life. But yeah, you'll never tell us आप लोगों ने चोरी की है कि नहीं. But it's so fun just to watch the trailer. So I want to ask you, are you as excited? Because we don't know what is your relationship with a thriller like this? Do you like thrillers? Being part of it, how does it change from the outside to the inside?
So of course, when I read it and we shot it soon after, we knew what's happening and blah blah. The whole story is understood. But I saw the film only recently, and to my memory, I had forgotten a lot of it. It was nice to feel like you're looking forward to seeing something that you possibly might know of. And I think that only happens when the storytelling is truly, is amazing. And I think Neeraj sir is, he's always done that. He's taken stories of ordinary people and put them into extraordinary circumstances and created something that's a really interesting world to be a part of. And then he also makes it extremely relatable. At the same time, it's a story which has many, many, many intense moments, many difficult moments for the characters. But at no point do you start getting this sense of boredom. There's an upbeatness to his films. It feels pacey. It feels like one thing's leading to another. At the same time, there is this feeling of being invested in each one's life.
True.
So you're invested in Kamini's life, you're invested in Sikandar's life, you're invested in Jaswinder's life. So everyone's life is also like a separate track, and I believe that if you were to actually make separate movies out of their lives, it
Their
would
lives
still
as
make sense.
spin-offs.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
What a
so I
thing
think
to
that's
say.
how the potential he
That's
keeps for
amazing.
the way he's written the characters. Although their interactions might be limited with each other, I feel like it's interesting that it feels like you know a lot about these people.
You know what's amazing is when I saw the trailer and there is a line in the trailer which says who the is Jaswinder, and I was like, that should be our version of who the is Alice.
Alice, yeah.
Yeah, did you feel that? It's too good. Can I please say, Jimmy Shergill, you have a separate fan base in the world.
He
Dunia
doesn't
mein-
believe us only. We keep telling
He
him, we
loves
keep
you.
obsessing.
क्या बात
The
कर रहे हो?
dialogues.
क्या बात कर
The
Yeah. He's just like हम लोग घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर हो गया. हमारे बातों
हमारी
पर
बात-
विश्वास नहीं करते हैं.
अरे, Jimmy sir, ऐसे मत कीजिए.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing. It's amazing to see you do such fabulous work. And इस film में खास करके, I just think you have some of the best lines. So, do you like the dialogue buzz in this film? Talk to me about how filmy this film is and how much you've enjoyed being part of it.
No, I feel this is a complete Neeraj Pandey film. It's totally up his alley. And when I was given the script also, like Avinash said, the pre-climax and the climax was missing. So I asked him, the first thing I asked him was that I've read almost all the scripts that you've written, unless you've hidden some from me. He loves to share them with me, and whether I'm a part of it or not, I like to read them, and he knows that. So that's the reason why I get to read his scripts, and I love reading his scripts. And I asked him, I said, where's the end? So he said there are 2-3 climaxes we are working on, and we are a little this thing. So when I meet you next, I'll tell you. And then obviously our reading started, and all the look tests and everything like that. And suddenly I think we both were doing our readings, and suddenly we were handed over the
This is
The climax. कि
I think
आ गया है दोस्तों,
climax and
climax
the
आ गया है.
climax.
I really want to ask him if he chose the climax after our rehearsals or he was
I
very
have
clear.
no
There is
idea.
something
So-
that
And
So
then when
yeah,
you
that
saw the
is how-
climax, did you discuss amongst yourselves and did you feel, yeah, this should be the climax?
see it could have been. Anyways, I won't.
He
talk
can't
about
say
it.
anything.
Just,
मैं तो
yeah.
बातों से
आप
बास्केटबॉल
मैं
खेल
कोशिश
है ना?
पूरी कर रहे हो आप
है ना?
नहीं, but the thing is that we were together, and then suddenly he gave us the climax, and both of us were reading whatever few pages were there.
Okay, that's fun. That's a great end. That was a great climax to this story, actually. Thank you.
You ain't getting another shot from me.
I know. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot. But it is about expensive things, and I love it that ye Heere Jawharat, yaar, it's so cool. It's like a Manmohan Desai film, where you could have like expensive
Heere Gayab.
things. Heere Jawharat,
Yeah,
Heere
of course,
Gayab
of
ho
course.
rahe hain. I
It's
love
with
it.
them.
I love it. Which made me think of a question for each of you. What is the most expensive thing that you bought and perhaps lost? And do you feel bad about it?
Matlab, in my lifetime, I've almost lost 6 to 8 phones. That's definitely has happened. I've forgotten. I've dropped them somewhere. So 8 phones should be a.
Average.
I think that's a number. Yeah.
That's crazy.
I don't know if this is. It's not. I haven't lost it. I don't know how to explain this. It was. वो गलत ironing वाले के पास चला गया. Like I had this really expensive dress that was meant to be like steam ironed, and then someone used an actual iron on it, and it looked like butchered, and I of course lost my marbles because I was like, this is my sweat and blood, which has
I
now
know.
been ironed
I know.
with an actual iron.
Okay, so then did the dress come back to you then?
As in, it's lying, and in fact, when I look at it, I get angry because I'm just like, someone could have just used common sense that this doesn't go on this.
रफू नहीं हो
Oh my
सकता उस पे.
It's like, that one serial, no, where she puts like pani on the laptop. What's that serial?
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. Gopi, yeah.
Gopi Bahu.
Gopi Bahu ne kiya tha.
It was like
bilkul.
washing the laptop only.
Correct,
This was like
correct,
that.
Correct. Yeah, I had a pleated skirt and, Istri wala, of
Yeah.
course, wonderfully removed the pleats and gave me back a straight skirt. And I'm
That hurts.
Thank you.
I feel physical pain when I see that.
No.
It like legit gave me physical pain.
I'm sorry for your loss, guys. Jimmy sir.
नहीं मेरा किस्सा भी आप
रफू.
जैसा बड़ा काफी मिलता जुलता है.
Crazy look.
When I had just passed out of school, so I wanted these Ray-Bans, and I forced my mother to buy me one. And those days, Ray-Bans, you know what I mean, the black ones, the shooters with that thing, because the normal से वो ज़्यादा expensive होती थी. बड़ा खुश था, मैंने कहा ये कमाल हो गया. तो मैं पहन के घूमता था बहुत स्टाइल में. और ऐसे ही एक दिन हम लोग कहीं गए थे और मेरे ही अच्छे खासे दोस्त ने वो चुरा ली. और मुझे किसी तीसरे दोस्त के थ्रू 6 महीने बाद पता लगा. मुझे लगा गुम हो गई है. पता लगा कि वो पहन के घूम रहा है वहां पे. Felt very bad. That age, just imagine, just out of
What did you do
just
is the
out of
question.
school.
Did you confront him?
आज भी वो दोस्त है.
Were you Jaswinder for him?
क्या वो आज भी दोस्त है? हाँ,
क्या
सर.
आप उनके लिए जसविंदर बने? क्या आपने कभी
नहीं.
confront किया? नहीं.
क्या वो आज भी आपके दोस्त हैं?
नहीं, इतना
पास
बेवकूफ लगता हूँ मैं आपको.
लेकिन उनके पास शायद आज भी वो चश्मे है. Please give them back.
No, no,
I hope that comes back to you. Which is also another thing that I noticed. I love when you said that if I had to write your biopic, then I would name it Sikandar Ka Muqaddar. Have you ever thought about it? If you had a biopic, what would you call it?
Yeah. We found one name for Jimmy Sir's biopic,
Which is?
which is Tamanna.
Take don't take credit.
I know.
Who made that name?
You. Which is why. Which is
Please
why.
say.
Can I say? It's Jimmy Ki Jawani.
Baby, I did not see this coming. I did not see this coming. Jimmy Ki Jawani.
I think it's very cool.
It is.
Yeah.
Of course. And look at that skin. It's
Yeah.
crazy. Jawani, it is. Please tell us your skincare routines.
Yes, we would like to know.
What?
India wants to know your skincare
Skincare
routine.
routine.
मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ जी पाली हिल पे उसके नीचे पाली नाका है वहाँ पे.
I know where he's going with this.
No, there is a guy who's I
Use
don't
a
know whether
facial?
you guys believe in all this or not. ये चूरन जो है पुराने जमाने का हंस रहे.
अरे believe it?
Yeah.
तो वो चूरन देते हैं.
हाँ, बेआबरू चूरन वाले बहुत पुराने और बहुत फेमस है.
ठीक है.
मैं सालों से वो खा रहा हूँ और तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
Anti-inflammatory.
So you have to go to Pali Naka.
हाँ, आप जाइए.
And then you have to
चूरन-
tell them skincare चूरन
अब
दीजिए.
खाने के बाद.
खाने के बाद.
नहीं स्किन केयर नहीं बोलना है.
सिर्फ
हर
चूरन.
चीज के लिए.
I love it. I love it. But Jimmy Ki Jawani. Jimmy Ki Jawani, you're happy with it?
Do I have a choice?
No, you can have your own name.
Huh?
If you can better this.
Can I give one more that you mentioned?
What are we doing? This is amazing. This is the best interview.
That's the name of his biography. अगर मेरी बुआ की मूछें होती तो वो मेरे चाचा होते. I just couldn't.
Where is this from?
He came up with this.
Reference to context. ये कहाँ-
Somebody asked him कि what would be the name of your biography. He said
अगर उन्होंने ऐसा बोला कि अगर आपकी बायोपिक बनती तो क्या होता. उन्होंने कहा अगर मेरी बुआ की मूछें
मूछें
होती.
होती तो वो मेरे चाचा
I
होते.
love how you have been through this a couple of rounds before me. I'm not the only genius.
Oh
Great.
God.
Love it. T, as I call you.
क्या करूं?
Biopic का नाम दो अपना.
अपने?
हाँ.
मैंने तो बोला happy feet.
You also said now.
Now, yeah, that's very.
Why?
I'm just trying to lose my
Yeah, happy feet.
esoteric.
What is this happy feet now?
Because I like to dance also, and I'm happy also.
Oh, nice.
Short and sweet.
Penguin vibes.
And I think
Cute.
my biography will have like one word or 2 words because उतना ही attention span है मेरा.
So you're right.
First it started at now and then it ended at happy feet.
Oh, that's lovely. I'm just
Yeah.
for some reason I just can't stop looking at your feet right now, and
Thank
those are
you.
very nice shoes.
Thank you.
I must say that's. I know these shoes. They're very, very.
Thank you.
They keep you well as a girl.
Well, they're for really dainty feet.
Oh.
Yeah,
We don't
otherwise
have
your
dainty
toes
feet.
have a really hard time.
Yeah, I don't have dainty feet. I can't wear those. Do you have dainty feet?
I believe so.
Okay. That's
So it fits in that. Otherwise, it's quite painful.
Thank you. The boys are like,
Wow, I'm like, what a conversation, guys. I'm so enlightened by this.
I
This
love
is
it. I love
this
it.
is nice.
Avinash,
See, I
do you have dainty feet? That's the question.
Well, with what I'm told, I've been also told that to always boast about the size of your feet. So yeah. it's like,
Really?
yeah,
Oh, I know this.
Well, so why not?
I know this
Yeah.
logic. Anyway, go ahead.
Interesting.
What is the
So-
logic?
No,
Please.
share.
Best for you. This is what keeps you young and beautiful. and your
don't
innocence is
stay away.
intact.
Yeah.
Like I'll go a step ahead, and then people also talk about my nose, sir. So I keep saying that I have the length and the breadth and the width. Talking about my nose.
No,
right,
of
sir.
course, yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. I haven't found a name for my biopic. I know there are 2 pages written. One is the start, and the second page says the end. And hopefully I'll find something in
But
between.
naam give na.
नहीं आ रहा है ना यार
Happy
कुछ
feet,
Majnu.
Jimmy की जवानी.
बन गई उसकी तो बन
हर
गई
लैला का
बन
मजनू.
गया।
हर लैला. Love
कितने रोमांटिक टाइटल्स है मेरे
Love it. She just said हर लैला का
बस
मजनू.
बस यही चाहिए मुझे.
Is that how it is?
I don't mind it.
Here's my question before I get out of here, which is why am I rooting for the two of you? What is in it intrinsically that is making me, even if you're wrong, I'm okay that you're right? Like ये कैसे होता है? ये weird. I'm psychoanalyzing myself कि अगर इन्होंने चोरी भी की हो तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये दोनों बच के निकल जाएं.
I have an answer for it, but I won't give it to you. It's like I know why you would root for them. But if I mention that, it might just open a few doors. You know,
हम बहुत डरते हैं नेटफ्लिक्स से बिकॉज हमें इतने इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए गए हैं ना कि ये मत बोलना वो मत बोलना कि अगर हमने कुछ बोल दिया तो फिर
and the beauty is you don't really like, you don't know if they have, you know, but you're still rooting for them because they are being tortured and troubled. So you will start backing people who are being exploited or are victims. So yeah, that's one way to look at it. No?
या आल्सो वी आर क्यूट.
I love it. I absolutely love it. However, I must say, आपसे बहुत डर लगने लगा है हमको. Like,
मैं तो बोल ही रही हूँ शुरुआत से.
that's crazy.
कोई विश्वास ही नहीं कर रहा मेरा.
You know, I'm one of those who had a crush on like Marchis, Jimmy Shagel, and here I am. I'm like, please, I don't want to ever meet this guy. वो मुझे बहुत परेशान करेंगे. Are you enjoying that? Are you enjoying scaring people?
No, I'm not.
No.
No, no. Why would I enjoy scaring people?
No, as a character in the movies, are you having fun playing powerful?
It's fun playing powerful roles.
Yeah.
I think it's amazing. But then there are films that you do. There was a film I did with Anurag Mukkabaz.
What a film.
And my God, the
That was
abuses I got for that.
yeah. That was a very good one. That's a good one.
So then I just realized that I said it's a role you've done, and if you are being hated so much for it, it's nice. It's a compliment.
Like there's a
Take it
shot
as
where
a
you get
compliment.
punched and he just, the way you look back, that in itself is a good 15-second shot. His reaction to that punch, yeah. Suddenly flashed in front of me.
So filmy, I love it.
I mean,
Love it. What is he like? Please tell me. I know him outside of the world, so
Yeah.
I can.
I watch
know
2
him.
films a year. That's my reality.
No, say now. What is he?
But
really
actually, he's very. You'll be surprised as to how fun and lighthearted at the same time, how razor sharp focused he can be. Like I've seen both the sides, and I sometimes don't connect him to be the same person. But I think he has this beautiful balance of being razor sharp in the moment, doing what needs to be done, but then in the next moment he's like,
And then he's cool.
yeah, then he's cool also.
Talk about her because she's one of my favorites.
I don't mind she talking a little
Yeah,
more
No,
about me.
enough. बस हो गई तुम्हारी तारीफ.
अरे इनके बारे में
Say
पूरी
nice
दुनिया
things
बोलती है.
about
कितनी
Taman.
बात मतलब ऐसी कोई बात बोल सकता जो नहीं
So
बोली
you
इनके
have
बारे
to
में.
tell us how
What?
the Paps love you so much. What is it?
Chal, I
love
really
them.
want to say this because it came
Simple.
through very nicely when I was in that earlier interview, and
Yeah.
it's really something I feel honestly, yeah. And you would relate to it, Rohini. You know, she gets a lot of attention, right? And most of the female actors around, in fact, girls get a lot of attention. And growing up, they all learn to deal with it in a certain way, finding the ways of some become rough to it, some become rude to it, some, you know, they all try and this is something I felt would be a great example for young girls to see of how to deal with that kind of attention. Even with creeps, you know, sometimes I feel that there's so much warmth and grace that she has that it could melt the creeps as well. You know, they would just like, that's what comes through so strongly. And she has so much of it, right? And the way she celebrates herself, acknowledges it, there's so much of power, and at the same time, there's so much warmth and grace. I think that's a great, almost idealistic way of that you would suggest young ones to deal with attention, find ways of how to deal with it. So that's something I felt should be said. Yeah.
Love it, love it. This one.
अच्छी training दी है मैंने
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
4 interview के बाद.
I must say, it's so unfair. During promotions, we get like whatever, 20 minutes or whatever. But I do want to say, each of you, I'm so excited, okay, because I've had journeys with you as a cinema lover, with you for many years, with you recently, and with you for a while now. And I wish you really well.
Thank you
because
so
this
much,
film
Mata.
looks like a lot
you
of
so
fun.
much.
So
Yeah,
I hope it's going to be fun for you.
Yes, we're hoping so too.
Okay, guys.
Thank you.
I'll see you next
Thank
time.
you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.